Good day, grade 3 pupils. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Quarter 1, Week 7, Day 1. Our topic for today is Note Details, Problem Solution, and Descriptors in Text. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are able to A. Note at least 4 important details in the assigned text. B. React to the assigned text. C. Identify the problems and the solution. And letter D. Identify descriptors in the assigned text and use content-specific words for signs. Activating prior knowledge. Good day, class. I hope you are doing great. Are you ready to learn new things today? But before that, let us briefly recall what we have discussed last week. Let's have a brief recap of the topics covered last week by asking some questions. Very good. It really shows that you understood our previous topic. Before we move to our next topic, let us first try to answer a few questions. Name some objects that can be found in your house and describe them. Look at the words I circled. What are they made of? Aluminum, iron, copper. That is correct. All of them are made of metal. Lesson purpose or intention. Today, we will be reading a text about metals. Make sure to take note of the important details such as words that describe the metals. It will be useful during our activities later. Lesson language practice. Here is a chant about metal. Look at the pictures of the following metals. Aluminum, iron, and copper. Reading the key idea STEM. Today, we have another exciting lesson. Let's read the story. The title is Useful Metals. Thousands of years ago, stones were necessary for survival. Early humans used stones depending on how they were shaped as tools or weapons. Without stones, they could not hunt for food, defend themselves, and build structures. They also used stones to light fire. After several years, everything changed when metal were discovered. Metals improve many aspects of their lives. Up to this day, many of the things that we see and use every day are made of metal. Are you familiar with some of them? Let us learn more about metal. Iron. Iron is a shiny, sturdy metal that is often used to make tools, machinery, and structures. Its color is silver gray. It is the main component in steel, which is used in buildings, bridges, and vehicles. When you see a construction site or a car, you are looking at iron and steel at work. Surigao, Mindanao has the biggest iron ore deposit in the country. Aluminum. Aluminum is soft, lightweight, and corrosion resistant and is extracted from bauxite ore. Its color is silvery white. It is used in many things like beverage cans, window frames, and even airplanes. Next time you sip from a soda can or look out of a window, think of aluminum. The largest bauxite mine is found in the western Samar province on Samar Island. Copper. Copper is reddish-brown and conducts electricity really well. It is flexible but tough. It is used in electrical wires, plumbing, pipes, and coins. So when you turn on a light switch or drop a penny into your piggy bank, you are dealing with copper. South Cotabato has the largest copper mine in the Philippines and one of the largest in the world too. Our country is truly blessed with different resources that play essential roles in our daily lives, from the utensils we use to the buildings we live in. Developing understanding of the KIPS 10. Let's answer the following question. Number 1. What is the important material for early humans based on the text? Number 2. What problems did early human encounters? Number 3. What are the 3 types of metals mentioned in the text? Number 4. What are the uses of metals? Number 5. What are the uses of aluminum? Number 6. What are the uses of copper? Number 7. Do you think metals are important in our lives? Why or why not? Number 8. Did you like the text? Why or why not? Deepening understanding of the key ideas 10. You will be divided into 3 groups. I will assign each group a specific metal. Describe the assigned metal using the words found in the text. Write the answers on a clean sheet of paper. At this point, we will now analyze the text we just read. We will be identifying the words used by the writer to describe the metals enumerated. Group 1 will be assigned to describe iron. Group 2 will be describing aluminum. And Group 3 will be describing copper. You will write your answer on the paper provided. After 5 minutes, your group will present your work in our class. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the following statement. Today, I learned about blank. I also learned that we can describe things based on their blank. Evaluating learning. Ask the learners to use the identified types of metal in sentences using their own words. and write their answer on a sheet of paper. They may use the prompt. Blank is a kind of metal used in for blank. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!